you're having an Instagram account and thinking of how you can actually get your Instagram profile link and share it to your friends and families on WhatsApp, on Facebook, Facebook Messenger, Facebook Stories, Insta Stories, or it doesn't matter where, right? Hey guys, this is Davin from DNC. In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can actually get your Instagram profile link so that you will be able to share it on your social media or perhaps to your friends and family so that they will be able to follow you on your Instagram directly from your profile link. Basically, it's actually very easy for you to get your Instagram profile link. You can just get it like less than 5 minutes. Okay, so there's actually two ways for you to get your link. Okay, the first method, you can actually go to your Instagram app and very fast, very quick. So right after you get into your Instagram apps, right, you can just go to your profile. Okay, you can click on the bottom right of your profiles, the icons right there. And right after that, right, we are going to go into edit the profile. Okay, so just click under the edit profile. So over right here, what you can see is that you can see your username right there. So what you're going to do is just that you're going to just click on the username and we are going to copy and paste this whole username right there. Okay, so you're going to select the whole username itself. It needs to be your exact user ID. Okay, so right after you copy, this is what we're going to do here. You can go to your Safari or your Google Chrome, any browser on your mobile phone over right here. Okay, in my case, I'm just going to go to Safari, but you can use like Google Chrome, or other browsers. It's the same, yeah. So right after here's right at the browser, the search bar right there, this is what we're going to type. We are going to type in the Instagram URL, which is www.instagram.com// then right after the backslash, you're going to paste your user ID right there. Okay, so over right here, you're going to paste the user ID right there and we are going to hit on the go. We are going to hit on the search. Okay, so right after you search, right, you will be able to see that your Instagram's ID will be showing up over right there, and it's basically just popping up with the Instagram app message and things like that. What you can do is that you can just click under not now. Okay, so then you can just double check on your profile whether or not this is your Instagram, okay, that you are looking at, the Instagram that you would actually like to copy the link from that. Yeah, so right after that, you confirm that this is your Instagram account. What you can do is just that you can just go ahead and copy the URL again. Okay, so on the top right there, you can just go ahead and copy that URL, and right now you can just share it on your to your Facebook, to your social media, to wherever that you want to share. Yeah, so like for example, in my case, I can just go to my Facebook and now I can just go ahead and write and just paste my URL right there, and you can see that down there it will actually give you the the preview of your Instagram from there. Okay, so you can just save this link to a notepad, so whenever that you want, you can just share it to your social media, you can just share it to your WhatsApp, to your friends and family, the direct URL that you have. So basically the method is very, very simple and very quick. So this is the first method. Second method, what you can do is that same methods. So what you can actually do that instead of you go to your usernames, okay, on your Instagrams, right? Same methods, you can just go directly to your Instagram on your browser, Instagram.com on the browser itself, and what you're going to do is that we are going to search for a username right there. Okay, we are going to search for a username. So in this case, what you need to do is basically you need to log into your account first. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and log into my account. Alright, right after I log in, you can see that this is basically a browser, Instagrams on the browser web. Yep. So what I can do is that I can just go ahead, come here, and then I'll be able to see the search icons right there. So I can just go ahead and click on search, and I'm going to search my username. Okay, so you need to make sure that you know what is your username from there. I'm just going to do a search, and I will see my name right there. Right after I see my profiles, and this is basically my profiles, right? You can see on top right there, this is basically the URL that I will just copy. Okay, so you can see from here, this is basically the URL that you will be getting as well. So basically getting your Instagram profile link is very, very easy and very straightforward. You can either choose to go to your Instagram to make sure that you copy and paste your exact URL, the exact username and ID, or perhaps you can use the second method as well. You can just log into a mobile web version of Instagram, and you search your username from there. The same method is you will be able to get your Instagram profile link. So you can comment below and let me know whether or not you successfully get your Instagram profile. And you can also share with us your profiles on your Instagram as well at the comment below. Thank you for watching. If you like our video, remember to leave your comment below, help us like and share. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, remember to click on the subscribe button and most importantly, hit on the bell icon so that you'll be able to receive notifications when we launch our new video. See you in the next video.